previous clip, we saw some amazing cinematic clip of Tata Altroz. Tata Altroz is manufactured by Tata Motors, whose motto is connecting aspirations, which means Tata Motors always meet our customer, we the customers' expectations. Here is a quick view of Tata Altroz. Let's talk about history of Tata Motors. Tata Motors was founded in 1945 as a locomotive manufacturer. Tata Group entered the commercial vehicle sector in 1954 after forming a joint venture with Daimler-Benz of Germany. After years of dominating the commercial sector in India, Tata Motors entered the passenger vehicle market in 1991 by launching Tata Sierra and Tata Sumo in 1994. Then Tata launched Indica in 1998, which was initially criticized by auto analysts, but then it became one of the best-selling cars in the history of Indian automobile industry. Now Tata Motors has become the third largest sales and service network after Maruti Suzuki and Hyundai. The company's manufacturing base in India is spread across Jamshedpur, Pune, Lucknow, Pantnagar, Dharwad, and Sanand. Tata's dealership sales, service, spare part networks comprises over 3,500 touch points. Tata Motors touch points. Tata Motors has more than 250 dealerships in more than 195 cities across 27 states and 4 union territories of India. Now let's talk about Jamshed, founder of Tata Motors, Jehangir Ratanji Dadabhai Tata. He was an Indian industrialist, entrepreneur, and chairman of Tata Group. In 1929, he became the first licensed pilot in India. He is also the founder of several industries, which are Tata Group, Tata Consultancy, TCS, Tata Motors, Titan Industry, Tata Salt, Voltas, and Air India. In 1955 and 1992, he received two of the India's most highest civilian awards, Padma Vibhushan and Bharat Ratna. Now let's talk about Ratan Tata. Ratan Naval Tata is an Indian industrialist, philanthropist, and a former chairman of Tata Sons. He is also the chairman of Tata Group from 1990 to 2012, and again as an interim chairman from October 2016 through February 2017. And he continues to be his head of his charitable trust. He is also the recipient of the two highest civilian awards of India, the Padma Vibhushan in 2008 and Padma Bhushan in 2000. Now Tata Motors was founded by G.R.D. Tata in 1945 as an automobile industries and has its headquarters in Mumbai. Currently, the CEO of Tata Motors is Gunter Bustek, and the ex-chairman is Ratan Tata. Natarajan Chandrasekaran is the chairman, and Ravikant is the vice chairman. Now let's talk about the Tata Altroz XZ Urban. It was launched on date 22nd of Jan 2020, and the fuel it uses is petrol. The body type is hatchback, and mileage is 19.09 kilometers per liter. The showroom cost is 8 lakhs and 500 rupees. The vehicle body type is hatchback. Now you wonder what is a hatchback? Hatchback is a body type configuration which is a rear door that swings upwards to provide access to cargo area. Also have fold down second row sittings. Here is a front side view of Tata Altroz, back side view of Tata Altroz. Here are the specific dimensions of Tata Altroz. Its length is 3,990 mm. Width is 1,755. Height is 523. Wheelbase is 2,501. Boot space is 345 liters, and the ground clearance is 165 mm. And the fuel tank capacity is 37 liters. Further will be explained by my colleague Navneet.
Hello, myself Navneet Chandak, and further I would like to mostly talk about the technical specs of this car. So starting with engine, 1199 cc of engine is used over here, where the cc stands for cubic centimeters. It is basically the volume of the cylinder between top dead center and bottom dead center of the piston. Then number of cylinders are three, which means that three cylinders of equal capacity around 400 cc are aligned in one row, and these cylinders have four valves, two for the intake of air fuel mixture, two for the exhaust of burn gases, which works upon dual overhead camshaft DOHC. In simple language, two independent camshaft mechanisms are there for the opening and closing of valves. Then there is a turbocharger present over here, which increases the power of engine. It has a maximum torque of 85 brake horsepower at 6000 rpm, and at 3300 rpm it produces a maximum torque of 113 newton meters. Next, so it's the image of that three cylinder inline engine. Next, so long story in short, this engine is called as 1.2 liter Revotron engine, where this Revotron is the official name given by the Tata Motors, and 1.2 liter is nothing but the conversion of 1199 cc, which I talked earlier. That is, cc is converted into liters over here. Next, it has a driving range of 704.85 kilometer. Emission standard is BS6. Basically, this BS stands for the Bharat stage, and it is an advancement over BS4 in terms of many aspects. And this BS6 standard has been mandated by the central government since last year. Next, transmission type is manual over here. Gearbox has 5 speeds. Drive type is front wheel drive. That means the power produced by the engine is supplied to only front wheels. The rear wheels are said to be free. Then there is the mild hybrid is not present over here. Basically, mild hybrids are generally cars with IC engine equipped with an electric machine. Next, talking about the brakes, anti-lock braking system is present in this car. This system works with the help of sensors. In case of emergency braking, the wheel of the vehicle may get locked. So to avoid such accidents and to improve the control over the car, this system is used. Then electronic force distribution is also there. This system automatically adjusts the braking force on each vehicle depending upon the load distribution inside vehicle to improve braking efficiency. Talking about suspensions, in front, MacPherson's dual part strut is used. In this system, strut, which I am going to show you later in the slides, is the most important component. It is constructed using damper and spring. The advantage of this suspension system is that it requires very low manufacturing as well as very low maintenance cost. In rear, a twist beam suspension is used, which is constructed using coil spring and shock absorbers. Next, in front, disc brakes are used. That means brake pads are over here to stop the vehicles, and in the rear, drum brakes are there. So brake shoes are embedded in this drum to stop the wheel. Next, this is the strut, main component of the MacPherson strut suspension. Next, this is the EBD feature of this car. Next, ABS, which I have talked earlier. Next, talking about safety, this car has been rated as India's safest hatchback. There are two airbags at front for the driver and the passenger. One can also keep their little one safe with an easy installation system for child seats. Next, Talking about the special features, the car has an automatic rain sensing wipers. Then the car is a keyless car. The car can be made as keyless. That is, with the help of hand wearable band, one can unlock it. And other special features are listed over here. Next. The car has two multi-drive modes. One is the Eco or City mode, and this mode optimizes car fuel consumption in order to provide great mileage. And the another mode is Sport Drive mode, which allows to utilize your powerful new engine at full capacity. Now next, my colleague is going to discuss more about this car. Thank you.
Hi friends, myself Sagar. So I'll take on from here. So friends, as Navneet discussed the features of this car, you can see on the left side of the screen, there's a mobile, and through an Android application, you can watch your car over your mobile. Then there's a touchscreen display, and this keyless key features the keyless remote features of this car, and this is the interior steering and gear console of the car. Next. So Tata Altroz is a car of new segment which comes under the Alpha architectural chassis. Here Alpha stands for Agile, Light, Flexible, Advanced Architecture. So this chassis is impact resistance, and it comes with front and side impact beams. Next. The key features of Tata Altroz are as follows: that is power steering, ABS, airbags, automatic climate control, alloy wheels, power windows, AC, and fog lights. Next. So friends, Tata has introduced a new IRA technology in its cars, which features the application of Internet of Things. That is, the devices connected through Wi-Fi over Internet and using your phone's Bluetooth connection to optimize themselves. So this connected car technology feature is developed in India and for India, and such 27 features are listed over in the Altroz. You can connect your phone on the multimedia screen using such displays. Now, the Tata Altroz derives its name from Albatross, the magnificent agile seabird, which soars for hours and miles with minimum efforts and travels from Arctic to Antarctic over a span of an year. This redefined the urban cars. Next. Some safety features of Altroz are listed as below, that is the ABS locking, and then power locks, door locks, anti-theft, then this impact beams. Then this is the engine immobilizer, that is, as your engine heats up, the car, this safety feature will automatically switch off the engine. Then crash sensors, then EBD, rear cameras, speed sensing, etc. Next. Friends, you can pause the video and read some of those features. Now the global NCAP, this organization where NCAP stands for New Car Assessment Program, rates various cars in the world on the basis of safety and some other accessorial requirements. Now on the basis of safety, this organization has rated Tata Altroz as a 5-star safest hatchback of India, and on the passenger safety limit, Altroz has received 5-star rating, and on the child safety limit, this car has received a 3-star rating. Next. Now some additional safety features of Tata Altroz include the Alpha architectural construction, which I have already discussed before. This construction system comes with an aluminium and cast iron chassis, which makes it very durable, agile, and impact resistant. Then the advanced ABS, ABD, reverse parking, anti-glare, IREM, and some many features are listed. You can pause the video and read some of those. Next. So friends, this is the interior of the car. It's very fantastic. It's designed newly by the Tata Motors. You can see a wide touchscreen display in the front, and you can see this is a kind of automated car. It has no gear, hence it is automated. And there's a new steering wheel introduced in here. The seats are leather seats. The seats are customized as per the requirements of the customer. Next. Altroz comes in with a built-in feature to cool your cans, water bottles. Next. Now, the Tata has introduced the Altroz in various variants like the XC, XM, XM Plus, XT, XZ, XZ Plus, XM Plus. That is, there are 6 custom pack options available for you in the market to buy the Altroz. And especially our car focuses on the XZ urban model. Next. So Tata has also introduced an electronic vehicle. You can see on the screen the nameplate of this car states Altroz EV. EV stands for electrical vehicle, and this electrical vehicle is a new concept car introduced by Tata Motors in the market, which works on electrical power and saves the fuel, which makes it a renewable energy resource. Next. So basically, Altroz comes in 5 color features. That is the gray, gold, blue, red, and white. You can see some of these colors featured on the screen. Each color comes in with the same price tag. So friends, Tata Motors, which has its tagline as connecting aspirations, that is, it basically fulfills all the customer requirements and your desires. So Tata Groups or Tata Sons has completed its 150+ year service towards the customer and for its nation. Next.